Q4, there could be some margin pressure, and that is something we'll be watching out for.
Okay, Sonal, thanks a lot for that. Rohan Gupta is now joining us, research analyst at Edelweiss. Rohan, good morning. So let's talk about the specialty chemicals first. You would have looked at the numbers. Is there still a good bet here? What would be your top pick?
Hey Anuj, hi, good morning and good morning viewers. Yes, Anuj, definitely you are right that and your analysis is perfect that valuations across the specialty chemicals have gone up. But this is not a new phenomena. If you look at the last 2 to 3 years, valuation across the specialty chemicals have been continuously rising high, and that have raised questions again and again whether there is more steam left in these stocks or everything is priced in. What we have been highlighting from last 3 to 4 years that it's not about the valuations, it's about the growth prospects of about all these companies, which has been continuously gaining momentum. Initially it was China, now it's once again how the global COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the world and how the global markets are moving from China to other markets and alternate sources. And also in India, we have a border tension with China, and that's what there is a more focus on Make in India and domestic manufacturing. This is the reason for all these companies where we see that the growth opportunity for the sector and for all these companies is likely to remain very solid. When we are pitching these stocks to our clients, we are not just only focusing on valuations, because valuations have been continuously going up and up, but this is about the fundamental growth opportunity and how structural growth is in these companies. That's what is driving the valuations. So even at the current level also, we believe that if you look at next 5 years and 10 years and how these time frame will be for all these specialty.
Okay, Rohan, we are not able to hear you. We have to redial. Anyway, I think we are running out of time as well. Rohan Gupta, it was a pleasure speaking with you. If you can hear me, have a great 2021. We're going to take a quick break and come back with our technical experts. Mitesh Thakkar and Sudarshan Sukhani will join in to give trading tips.